We begin with the COVID alert. New York health officials dropping some testing requirements.
Yeah, this has to do with unvaccinated state employees. So let's get right to News 12's Lisa LaRocca, 5:01 in the morning, live in Yonkers to tell us more. Lisa.
Yeah, good morning to you, Lisa and Amy. Good morning, everyone. This is one of the few pandemic restrictions that was still in place. So the fact that it's being lifted is good news because it means we are moving forward. Now, the state health department announced that the weekly testing program for unvaccinated state employees was suspended, affected this week. The testing program was launched when the vaccine or test rule went into effect for 116,000 non-healthcare employees at state agencies. Unvaccinated teachers, however, will have to wait a bit longer to stop testing. The state health department is extending the requirement for educators until the end of this month, the end of the school year. And they also plan on ending weekly screenings for students as well. Schools will still be required to report positive cases to the state. Now, part of the reason those restrictions are coming to an end is because cases across the state continue to drop. More good news. The state's 7-day positivity rate is now down to 5.6%. In the Mid-Hudson region where we are, we're down to 6.3%, and that number keeps on falling. Meanwhile, more than 2,000 New Yorkers are in the hospital with COVID, and that's 51 fewer people than the day before. Now, health department officials say given the wide availability of testing home kits, managers should encourage all employees to continue to test through their home kits or testing locations throughout the area that you can find anywhere if they are not feeling well, and then just follow the latest isolation and quarantine guidance if they do test positive. But all in all, this is certainly positive news.